What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I still have our little cute, cozy backdrop up with the cats because today we are checking out Hello Kitty. Y'all know I am enjoying all of these cat themes. And that reminds me, I found another pack of cats online. Let's quickly look through them to see if there are any new poses that we could paint for our black cat collection. Oh, this one's kind of cute. It looks like it's tearing up your curtains. Aren't you cute? But you're too fluffy. I need all the cats to look like they could be this cat. This one is stretching. I like that. Ooh, this one's already black. It just has two different colored eyes. And the cats I've been painting have yellow eyes. That seems like an easy fix. That'll work. So the cat can go from just chillin' to taking a moment to freshen up. This cat is a little thinner, but we're working with what we got. A lot of the cats in this set are pretty fluffy, but this one could work. I'm using black paint for plastic. I bought it at Michael's, and we're just gonna paint the whole cat black, paint the eyes, and add a little pink in the ears to get a new cat pose for the dollhouse. It's fun and playful and ready to check out a few new dolls. Like LOL Surprise, OMG loves Hello Kitty and friends. To tell you the truth, I have not been this excited for an OMG doll in a while. Y'all, look at those eyes. There is so much personality. There are 4 dolls in this series. Here is My Melody, who's always been a favorite of mine. We've got Cinema Roll. Seriously, she's too cute. Kuromi, she's a vibe. And Hello Kitty, because we needed the whole squad. The packaging is pretty simple. We can clearly see the character in the box, so we can check for any defects. There's an illustration at the bottom. On the back, we can see the other characters in the collection, a large illustration of the doll, and on the side it says, "Where friendship meets iconic fashion, your favorite Hello Kitty and friends characters, OMG style." And I am totally going to turn these into bookmarks. I paid $26.99 per doll. Let's get them out of the box for a closer look. These dolls come dressed with no extra accessories. My Melody wears a pink plastic hat. It has sculpted fur, a blue bow, and a chain on the side. There are a few more sculpted details that are not painted, and if you remove all the plastic stays, the hat easily falls off. Personally, I would have loved for the hats to have been fabric, but even without them, we're still getting a My Melody vibe, cause it's on a shirt. This figure comes dressed in a black and pink long sleeve shirt. Well, it looks like a short sleeve shirt with long sleeves underneath it. It looks like an oversized shirt for the doll. The pattern continues all the way around, and it velcros in the back. On the front, there's a My Melody graphic, and she wears a pink gathered skirt underneath. The skirt has 2 layers of ruffles with a sparkly shine. She wears pink shoes with blue painted laces, has blue hair with a center part. The hair is very soft. There is a little bit of product in it. She has blue eyebrows, blue eyeshadow. Her eyes are pink, and she has a shiny pink lip color. And we can see her teeth. And check out these sculpted eyelashes. I think that's a pretty cool idea. Totally wasn't expecting that, but okay. I think she is still giving an OMG vibe, but a little more fierce. If we look closely, the printing on the eyes is a little pixelated, but the eyelids are not shiny, just the eyes and lips. She can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, and wrist. She has long painted nails. They're pink. The doll can move at the hip and has a click knee. So it's pretty much what we would expect from an OMG doll. Cinema Roll has a bucket hat that looks like Cinema Roll with sculpted fur, large ears, and painted details. Does her hat stay on? No, not really. This doll has white hair, styled into 2 pigtails, with pink and blue highlights in the front. Again, there's product. This doll has white eyebrows and blue eyelashes with eyeshadow that fades from blue to pink. She has blue eyes with hearts, freckles, and a pink lip color with no teeth showing. She comes wearing a white faux fur coat that is blue at the collar and has pink sleeves. Underneath, she wears a pink tank top with a cinema roll graphic and a denim skirt with a ruffle and slit at the bottom, and another cinema roll graphic. And she finishes her look with light turquoise boots. Love the freckles, but her hair might need a little styling out of the box. Oh yeah, that's a little better. And I gave my Melody a quick little bump while I was at it. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of fantasy hair colors, but she's kinda cute. And Cinema Roll also has pink nails. Kuromi's nails are black. She has a little black headpiece with little ears. It has openings for her ponytails. So for me, this one is staying on. This doll has gray, black, and pink hair, with the front swept to the side and the back in 2 pigtails. Again, the hair is soft with a little bit of product. This doll has lavender eyeshadow, lavender and pink in her eyes, and a lavender pinkish lip color. She's not showing any teeth, wears a hot pink faux fur jacket, wears a purple sleeveless top with a pink collar underneath. There's a Kuromi graphic on her shirt. She has a silver skull belt and a purple, black, and pink plaid skirt. She wears tall black boots with pink painted details to complete her look. I think we're getting some cute pieces here. I love the plaid skirt and the belt accessory. And then we have Hello Kitty. This doll has light pink hair, and right out of the box, my doll could use a little styling. There's a lot of product, creating a little bump. She has a white plastic Hello Kitty hat with sculpted fur and a large red bow. Does it stay on? Well, it did better than the others, but I still think fabric hats would have been nice, since we have seen other fabric items, like these little LOL surprise figures. Under the hat, we can see this doll has bangs with a lot of product, so let's just take a moment to do a little styling. Let's wash out some of this product. Once the product is washed out, it lays pretty good. This doll just has a touch of pink on her eyelids. Her eyelashes are dark brown. She has red eyeliner under her eyes, blue eyes with hearts, a red lip color with her teeth showing, wears a jacket with faux fur sleeves. It's blue in the center with a zipper detail in the front. She wears a white sleeveless top underneath with a red collar, and the front has a Hello Kitty graphic. She wears a blue pleated skirt with a plastic red bow at the bottom. The pleats go all the way around. She wears red heels with bows and has red painted fingernails. Overall, if this is the new vibe for OMG, I like it. I enjoy doll photography, so it's always nice to come across a doll that's pretty photogenic. And I think that's what we're getting here, or at least in my opinion. And it looks like LOL Surprise also has a new look. This is LOL Surprise Music Festival, where we can unbox 7 prizes, chase the rare disco ball, and there are 8 figures to collect. I picked up one because I just really wanted to see what they look like in person. This capsule was $11.99. Gotta remove all the layers. There are instructions going around it, showing us how to open the capsule, which looks like a disco ball. So we just open the top right here, and yeah! This is the one I wanted! It's Rodeo Darlin', and we got a little record here that we can place on the capsule and turn it. Oh, a little door opened. Let's pull this little wrapped item out and see what it is. We got a pair of brown cowgirl boots with silver painted details. Then let's spin it again, and then there's another little door that opened with another surprise. Oh, it's a top. It's white and it looks like it has sculpted fringe. Then we just open the capsule. I don't want to break a nail. Come on, open up. There we go. The bottom of the capsule is a stand. We have a couple of paper bags. In this one we find shorts with a belt, and in another bag we have our LOL Surprise figure with a painted bathing suit. This doll has brown and blonde hair with braids in the front, sculpted lashes. It is a little shiny and pixelated. It has freckles and pouty lips. Let's get her dressed and ready for the rodeo. Oh wait, almost forgot. there's a hat. We also got a wristband with a QR code, and we could totally check into that. And there's a collector's guide showing all the figures in this collection and their availability. When compared to this LOL surprise figure, the new one is definitely heavier and a little more firm. I also picked up this Music Festival OMG doll with the new eyes and a natural hair color. This is LOL Surprise OMG Music Festival featuring Rosalia. Please forgive me if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. On the back of the box, there is a full illustration of the doll, a picture of the artist, and a little information saying her story started in Spain. She's now a global sensation. At the top, we can see other characters to collect. This doll was also $26.99. I bought it from MG's website. It took forever to get here, but we get a poster. It says OMG Music Festival on the back. Here's the doll. She has long brown hair with a center part and a little curl at the bottom. There is a little product in her hair. This doll has pink eyeshadow, brown eyes with stars, a glossy pink lip, wears a pink sheer robe with long sleeves with scalloped edges, ruffles in the front, and pink ribbon to tie it closed. Under the robe, she has a two-piece black faux leather outfit with ribbon straps and a Velcro in the back. The doll has black strappy heels and light pink painted nails. I think her fashion pieces look pretty nice, and personally, I am enjoying this new look for OMG because they've always kind of looked like aliens to me with those large orb eyes. And I'm still getting that sci-fi vibe, but they're like baddies from outer space. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Are you feeling the new look? And are these dolls a buy or a pass? And you know I'm cutting up these inserts to make quick little bookmarks. And we can take cutouts from the packaging and glue them on to make bookmarks that can slide over the pages, giving us just a little bit more for our money. Thank you for joining us while we checked out OMG dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!